friends, today we're going to draw a turkey.
Yeah, we're going to draw a turkey chef, one that's ready to cook.
Yeah.
We hope you're going to follow along with us. You ready to start?
Yeah.
We're using our Art for Kids Hub gel crayons, but you can use whatever you have at home. You could use something completely different like colored pencils or even markers.
Yeah.
And we've also already picked out our colors. We're using red, 2 browns, a medium brown and a dark brown. We also have
Orange.
yeah, and then what's this color? It's kind of a yellow mustard color.
It is
What do you want?
spicy mustard.
Spicy mustard.
The spicy mustard is kind of like
Yeah, it's kind of a weird, it's not
brownish.
quite yellow, yeah.
Yeah.
Spicy mustard. All right. We're gonna first use our spicy mustard color and we're gonna draw our turkey's head, a circle right in the middle of our paper. Maybe draw it down here in the middle so that you have room for the chef hat on the top. Yes, I'm gonna make mine as big as yours. But let's color this shape in. It's also nice when using these crayons to have a paper towel or tissue that you can wipe the shavings off on so it's not as messy. There you go. Now let's draw our little turkey's body. I'm gonna draw the letter U. And also, let's switch to a different color. Let's switch to our black crayon and we're gonna draw our apron for our chef. I'm gonna draw 2 lines coming down from the head. Then we can connect them at the bottom. Then up here at the top, let's also connect them across. And we could also draw the little strap that goes around the waist.
So it's easier so it doesn't like whoosh.
Yeah, it doesn't fly off. Now we're switching back to our spicy mustard color and we're gonna color in the body for our turkey. If you go over the black, it'll blend it. That's okay. But if you color away from it, you don't color over the black, it won't smear it as much.
It's even more spicy mustard.
Yeah, now that it's darker. And if you get black on your crayon, sometimes it's easier to use your paper towel to wipe off the black, and then you can go back to coloring and it won't keep smearing it.
I got a secret with crayons.
What is your secret with crayons?
If you use a lot of the crayon and it looks like it's like
It's angled or sharp.
angled or sharp, and there's a little space, you can turn it to the end or this part.
Oh,
and
you're
you
so
can
smart.
do the little pieces.
You can get into the small
Yeah,
areas.
There's a little white spot.
Yes, it sharpens it. Yeah, these crayons are really thick and it's kind of hard to get into the small areas. But like you said, if it's sharp, you can. That's awesome.
Yeah.
I like your little tip. Now let's use this color to draw the wings. We're going to draw them sticking out. So I drew 3 little feathers sticking out to the left and 3 little feathers sticking out to the right. Now let's switch to our orange, and I'm going to draw the letter V for our little beak. We'll draw a curve on the top and color it in. Then we can also use this for the legs and 3 little toes sticking out the bottom. Well, it looks like a chicken. We need to turn it into a turkey.
Yeah.
Let's add the gobble. We're going to switch to our red crayon and we can draw a little raindrop shape coming down from the side of the beak and then color that in. Now let's switch to our black crayon and we can add the eyes, 2 circles on each side, and color them in. If you want, you could leave a little highlight or color it in solid. I'm going to color it in solid. What should we draw next?
The chef hat.
The chef hat. Let's draw 2 lines coming out from, with our black crayon. 2 lines coming out from our little turkey's head. And then we're going to draw 2 or 3 little bumps connecting.
When it looks like this, it kind of looks like an insect or a
Oh,
bug.
it does. Antennas.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to start here and we're going to draw a big cloud or popcorn line going over and around for our chef hat. It was an awesome chef hat.
I like your chef hat.
I like yours. Let's also give our little turkey a spoon. I'm going to draw it sticking out from the wing and then an oval on the top, a big wooden spoon, and color it in. You're going to draw it on that side?
Yeah. Should I add a little salad and
Yeah, we could.
I want to add a little salad.
Our chef is making a salad.
Yeah.
Now we're switching to our dark brown. We're going to turn our little chickens into turkeys. We're going to start by drawing the big tail feathers. Right here, I'm going to draw a big upside down letter U. And then I'm going to draw another one next to it and another one right here on the side.
And imagine that's going through the...
Yeah, good job. I'm going to do that on this side. Imagine it going through the spoon. You could even draw right through it since it's brown. And then I'm going to draw another one right next to it and another one down here. Now it looks like a turkey.
Yeah.
You could even add one more feather right here on both sides so you have more. Sorry, accidentally drew on your paper.
It's okay, I'll cover it.
And then one more over here too. Okay, now...
I'm going up the roller coaster. Now I'm going down.
Now let's color our tail feathers. I'm going to keep the dark brown and color the bottom of each feather with this color. And then we'll switch and use a different color for the rest of the feather. Now let's switch to our orange and we can add a stripe right here above the dark brown. I'm also deciding to use the dark brown to outline our little turkey. I'm going to do this around the head and also the body so that you can kind of see an outline shape for our turkey. You could leave this off if you want, or you can add it. And the last color, let's add red to the very end. Oh, and you could also leave a little white stripe too on the feathers, or color it in solid.
I want to color it in solid.
Good. I'm going to leave a little white stripe. We did it! We finished drawing and coloring our little turkey chefs, and they turned out awesome. I especially love your cute one.
I like yours too.
Thanks. Now you can pause the video to even add more things to your drawing.
Like a background.
Oh, what could be in the background?
A kitchen.
Oh yeah, kitchen and maybe a pie. Our turkey is making a pie.
Yeah, or maybe spicy mustard. We hope you have fun drawing a turkey chef.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.
Spicy mustard time!